guys, Be Snappy here with the Hunter Valley Airshow. In this video, you're going to see the Skywalkers, the Paul Bennet Airshow, amazing RC jets, the gyrocopter, warbirds, and of course the foam aeroplane.
They are actually going to be moving around on the wings of the aircraft.
Give them a big wave as they go through, ladies and gentlemen.
And the wing walkers are still on the plane. How crazy is that?
Oh my goodness, look at that. What a spectacle. And again, they can do it all day. We never sick of it. They wave back the Wildcats.
Look at these remote control fighter jets. This is insane. Let's go check out some more aircraft. Airshows always seem to pull such a big crowd. Look at this, it's a one-man band. You're about to see the E7A WEDGETAIL.
As he banks away. Little wing wave. And of course that very famous red lightning bolt on the tail.
Down ahead to head in. The clouds really good shit. One has their own, they go for a nice big barrel roll. Put your hands together, forward to your barrel roll.
If you like this video, make sure you check this video out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Be Snappy out.